Hi guys, in this video, we will share the types of WordPress plugins. If you have other recommendations, please let us know in the comments below. Number 20 is Anti-Spam Plugins. WordPress is as beloved by spammers as it is by us. Unwanted spammers join the party as soon as your website begins to receive traffic. In order to promote their website and obtain SEO backlinks, spammers typically employ automated software that accesses your website and begins submitting forms with irrelevant links. If you don't regulate comments, your posts and pages will be overflowing with content, which will harm both the reader's experience and your SEO ranking. It is exhausting to moderate comments and remove spam emails. Fortunately, preventing fraudulent content from being published on your WordPress site is as simple and effective as adding an anti-spam plugin. Number 19 is WordPress Backup Plugin. There is a chance that you believe your web host is trustworthy enough to preserve a copy of your data in case something happens to it. However, what if the server goes down? Despite the fact that many web servers store a copy of your website, you should not rely only on this. You should be diligent and certain that no matter what happens, you will be able to get back to work on your website immediately. It's usually a good idea to have a copy of your data stored somewhere else. You can use a variety of plugins to accomplish this. A few of them are worth mentioning. Number 18 is Security Plugins. Website-level security is just as vital as secure WordPress hosting. Data theft, spyware, and monetary loss can occur on insecure websites. In 2020, WordFence, a popular security plugin for WordPress, recorded 4.3 billion attempts to hack the site. These inbound threats can be mitigated with WordPress security plugins. Active monitoring, firewalls, and malicious IP blacklisting are common features. Please find security plugin for your website. Number 17 is Contact Forms Plugins. With a contact form, visitors may get in touch with you without having to search around your website for your email address or other methods of communication. This can have a big impact on your website's user experience. There are a plethora of contact form plugins for WordPress if your website doesn't have one. You may fully customize and manage your forms with their capabilities, which include a variety of management and customization choices. Number 16 is WordPress Page Builder Plugins and its add-on. Creating a website is no longer a time-consuming endeavor that requires you to put in a lot of effort. Building a website no longer necessitates writing lines of code. Page builders have made it easier for non-coders, designers, and novices to focus on the page's concept rather than the code that lies beneath it. Number 15 is Email Plugins. With a plugin, you may grow an email list and send out emails, as well as improve the reliability of your WordPress site's basic transactional emails. When you don't get an email from WordPress, it can appear that the service isn't working. Emails sent from your web server may appear to be spam, so SMTP mail plugins are one of the solutions. It's also a good idea to utilize a custom email domain because it makes it more difficult for unauthorized senders to impersonate your branded email. Number 14 is Photo Gallery Plugins. Every website employs images to keep readers interested, provide color and texture, and break up long walls of text. The WordPress Gallery plugin is required if you want additional flexibility. The default image handler in WordPress works well for raw photos. When it comes to website design, a gallery provides a wide range of possibilities. It gives you more control over how photos are displayed on your website and helps you to better integrate them into your brand or website design. The WordPress Gallery plugin overwrites the CMS's built-in image manager. There are a variety of ways to display and secure your images with a good WordPress Photo Gallery plugin, which includes choices like drag and drop page builders, lightbox viewing, and possibly the ability to share your images. Number 13 is Social Sharing Plugins. It's no longer uncommon for people to post a picture of what they're enamored with on social media. If your material isn't getting shared, you may use a share counter on your WordPress site to find out why. Visitor participation is boosted as a result. Sharing your material on social media may help you rise in search engine rankings. There is no need to have a large following or a large number of views to have a successful blog or online business. Your social media presence can be as little as 100 to 200 Facebook fans or a handful of followers on Twitter or Instagram. Number 12 is Related Post Plugins. Site owners have a hard time getting people to look at more pages and stay on their site longer. The best way to keep people interested in your website is to give them the information they want or need. As a result, you'll have to provide a few locations where potential customers can explore further possibilities. Number 11 is SEO Plugins. Many SEO experts believe WordPress to be one of the most SEO-friendly CMS systems available because of its many built-in SEO features, but it is the multitude of third-party SEO tools and plugins that really make WordPress sites sparkle in search engines. With the right SEO plugin, you may learn how to make your site's content more search engine friendly. That's why we believe an SEO plugin is a need for any WordPress site. Number 10 is a plugin for tracking analytics. As soon as a person views your website, you may collect a plethora of information. It's possible to track visitors to your site, such as how they got there, how long they were there, and where they went next. This is a goldmine of information for improving the user experience on your site. It's a challenge for business owners to turn raw data into meaningful information. You'll be in a lot better position to improve the user experience on your site if you know how visitors interact with it. In order to get started gathering data, you need to use analytics plugins. Number 9 is caching plugins. Nobody appreciates a website that takes a long time to load. Because caching plugins improve page speed, they're a must-have. Your website's data is stored on a server so that your pages may be delivered swiftly and efficiently. You'll find a slew of complicated and specific commands in the source code of most websites, which the browser processes before finally serving the page. Your site's load time will be reduced, the user experience will be enhanced, and the chance of losing the web traffic you've worked so hard to achieve will be reduced. Fortunately, there are a lot of plugins that make the process of caching much easier to understand and use. Number 8 is membership plugins. In order to monetize your website and maintain long-term relationships with your clients, you should create a WordPress membership site for your business. When it comes to developing a close-knit online community, membership websites have been around since before the days of social media. To provide their members with value, internet marketers and website owners developed and operated forums, niche websites, and communities on the internet. An ongoing stream of revenue for the website owner is provided by the membership websites. Number 7 is image optimization plugins. Images are a powerful tool for enhancing the visual appeal of your content if they are optimized properly. Slow loading times, storage overflow, and bad SEO can all be consequences of inadequate picture optimization. It is possible to reduce the size of your photographs without affecting their quality by using image optimization plugins for WordPress websites. Number 6 is LMS Plugins. Passion, effort, and hard work are all required to create online courses. You have to meet those conditions. You also need an effective WordPress LMS, learning management system, to help you sell your products online, which involves a separate set of skills and knowledge. The best LMS plugins are ones that can help you manage your online courses and users, take payments, track and reward course success, and develop an online community. It gives you the tools you need to come up with engaging and informative lessons that your students will enjoy and remember. Number 5 is eCommerce plugins. Choosing the correct online platform for your products and services is vital in the digital business sector. Most novices will find it easiest to use an existing third-party shopping platform. However, those who want to take their business to the next level and see it succeed will always prefer to build their own site from the ground up. Having an e-commerce website allows you to take complete control of your business and increase your earnings. But you're not the only one. You have the option of selecting an e-commerce plugin that is appropriate for your company's website. Number 4 is WordPress plugins for affiliates. It's no secret that affiliate marketing is one of the hottest and most lucrative internet marketing trends of the moment. For every sale that an affiliate brings in for your business, you'll receive a percentage of the commission. It attracts a large number of people who are willing to help market your store by creating content. Number 3 is redirect plugins. By using redirect plugins, you can make sure that any broken links on your WordPress website are redirected to a different, more relevant page. A broken link will simply reroute visitors to a new destination so they can continue their journey. As a result, your site's trustworthiness will be maintained, and it will also help to keep your site's search engine rank stable. Number 2 is translation plugins. WordPress aspires to serve all of the world's internet users. However, not every one of them is fluent in the same dialect. To accomplish this, all of the content on the WordPress sites must be translated into languages other than English. It's not possible for users to do this, which is why multilingual plugins are so important. With a multilingual WordPress website, you may reach a wider audience and potential consumers. As a result, your website's conversion rate rises, and your users have a better overall experience. Number 1 is booking plugins. There are a variety of booking plugins that can be useful for certain internet businesses. It allows your customers to schedule an appointment or book your services right away. A wide range of online enterprises, including rental companies, restaurants, ticketing services, professional practices, and freelance creatives, may profit from plugins for booking. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to help us to like and share. If you have yet to subscribe to our channel, remember to click on the subscribe button. And most importantly, hit on the bell icon, so that you will be able to receive notification when we launch a new video. See you in the next video.